So Vichy smelled some kind of animal in the shed, and he went in there and started trying to catch some kind of animal. And we're gonna go ask him what kind of animal did he smell in the shed. I'm gonna give you a quick sample of how Vichy talks and some animal names that he knows. Raccoon. Armadillo. Squirrel. Groundhog. Oh, Pantera. Otter. What animal's in the shed? Squirrel. Armadillo? Is that what it is? Armadillo. Is... So we know that dogs can talk. And how is this? A talking dog like Vichy Bala can provide specific, detailed information that we can verify later after the fact. So this example, if Vichy Bala was identifying a specific animal living in the shed, and they were able to verify his answer by recording which animal eventually emerged out of the shed. The alternative explanation often given is the clever Hans effect. We didn't know what animal was living in the shed. Applying clever Hans in this scenario would require that the human have precognition or other supernatural powers, making it a very implausible explanation. The reality is it only takes a few minutes to provide proof the dog can talk, assuming that the dog is trained well enough to answer a direct question, like what do you smell, what do you hear, or who do you see? So dogs in that early stage of language development that may just be asking to go outside or asking for food or water may not be able to pass this specific test.